Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be in collab with Jamie from, hopefully that's your name. Hopefully I'm saying it right. She's from the Crazy 99-cent store lady that I originally found on Instagram because she posts a lot of stuff from the 99-cent store, and I love the 99-cent store. And currently, when I found her, I was in my 40 days after birth, like postpartum time, that I couldn't get out. At least for my culture, I couldn't get out for 30 days. And she would keep on posting pictures on Instagram about items in the 99-cent store, and I love her. I subscribe to her channel because she also has a channel, the same name, the Crazy 99-cent store lady. In YouTube, she has her channel, so if you're watching, go ahead and go in the description box. Her link to her channel will be there, as well as her Instagram and my Instagram. So you subscribe to her channel, say you come from my channel, and go and, I don't know, subscribe as well to her Instagram as well as to my Instagram. I'm not, I don't advertise my Instagram that much, but woohoo! But I do have one. So I'm doing a collab with her for a Mother's Day gift, an affordable Mother's Day gift idea that you can buy, of course, on the 99-cent store. And I have bought some items that you're kind of looking at right here. For my mom, I actually bought this to be a gift for her. And she's also gonna do a gift idea on her channel, so make sure you go to her channel and watch that idea. On the 99-cent store, of course, before we continue, neither of us are, I don't think, are sponsored by the 99-cent store. We bought the items with our own money. I'm speaking for her, but like, I bought the stuff with my own money. 99-cent store does not sponsor me in any way, in any term or anyhow. I do still love 99-cent store. If you know, 99-cent store is items with 99 and more, and they're marked when they're more. The expensiest I've seen, like me, I've seen actual in the store is $10, but there are other items that have are like about 20 and other occasions, but generally are very affordable things, and they're good quality. They're not like a dollar quality item. They're actually not so good, but good, you know what I mean? And sometimes they're from other stores that they liquidate stuff on their store, and 99-cent store gets them. So this Mother's Day gift idea, I got it for home decor. They have like particularly the store that I went to had a lot of stuff that I hadn't seen on another store that goes with home decor. And I got these items because my mom likes to decorate her room and all that stuff, and I found these items and I decided to get them for her. One of the items, I'm not so sure if I'm going to give it to her or not. I am also a mom, so that could be for me, but I will show you. And the kitchen is made to bring families together, kind of chalkboard board, and you can see right there it was $3.99, and it's kind of in the theme of like farmhouse theme. Ooh, focus right here, and it has like little hooks right here on the bottom, like for you to hang something. You can write on here, and the shape of it is like kind of like a board thing where you cut your vegetables and stuff, and it was $3.99, so I got that one. And then now these ones are particularly for my mom, and I will show you why I got this ones. I will tell you why I got this ones. So I show you the big one, the smaller one first. Is this mirror? You're gonna probably see my mess behind. Is this mirror, and the actual frame here is plastic, but it's kind of like in that copper theme kind of thing. And this was $4.99. We had a budget of $10, by the way, because we wanted to make an affordable but nice looking gift for Mother's Day. So this was $4.99, and it says wall mirror, and it's from the brand Decorative, I think, or Distributed Momentum Brands. Lace Shape is called. And it has it's a pretty good size and everything, like all it's like that size. You're gonna see my mess behind, but who cares? So I got that, and then I got this other one, which is pretty big, and it also has 2 mirrors right on the sides and a clock right in the middle, and it's also plastic, and it's the same kind of, not close enough, because this one has more of the copper color, and this one has more of the black side. And this was also $4.99. You can see. I want to show you. Why are you writing on your book? Don't color your book. That's for reading. It's different colors, like the same, but this one has more black than the one single right here. And it has a clock, and I'm pretty sure it runs on batteries, the clock, and it was $4.99. This has like no brand. It just says mirror and clock set, assorted colors. It's also for Momentum Brands. This is Momentum Brands. Stop, mommy. My gosh. And I just liked it. I think she's gonna love it for Mother's Day. So it has 1 mirror, 1 clock, and then another mirror. And I can see this on her room, and as well as that. So I kind of got them in like to be a set. Like she can have this on the middle, and then place these 2 mirrors on the sides, and kind of the wall, the clock right on the top. I thought they made a nice little bundle, so I got these for her. And then it's $10. It's an affordable and nice looking gift that you can get from the 99-cent store, even though they're not 99. I'm probably gonna hold on to the board here for me, but because it doesn't make things a group kind of thing. But you can find awesome gifts on the 99-cent store, which are already like a gift bundle for home, for self-care and all that good stuff. I also got from there this pretty kind of mother looking gift paper. Look at that. It's like birds, and it's like lilac with flowers. My gosh, when you have a toddler, everything happens. It has like a bird motif, so I'm going to be covering those with this paper, and that was only 99 cents. And then I also got a bow, and it's lilac as well. This one actually had 2, but I used one for a gift that I recently went to a party. And this is from Happy Party brand, which is the brand from the store, the 99-cent store, and it had 2 for $99. And I'm just going to cover it and put the bow there, and I think it looks nice, and it's a nice little gift for mom. So now I'm going to wrap it up and show you how it looks at the end. I kind of had to improvise a little bit because I had used it for another gift, like I told you. And now the back is kind of showing like that. But since it's the back and nothing showing, I think it's fine. That's how it looks from the front. Now I'm just going to place this big. I'm not sure if I should put it in the middle over there, but I think I'm going to put it there so I can know which way it goes. Look at that. Pretty nice looking Mother's Day gift. And looks pretty nice and big, doesn't it? Yes.
Wow.
And yeah, that concludes my collab with Crazy 99-cent Store Lady for an idea, affordable gift for Mother's Day from the 99-cent store. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Comment down below what you could buy or what you think you could think, or have any questions about the 99-cent store. Don't forget to go to her channel, to her Instagram, to my Instagram, subscribe, click like, everything that is necessary in all those platforms. Don't forget to click subscribe here if you haven't done so. And if you come from her channel, thank you very much. And Jamie, thanks for collabing with me on this video for the 99 cent store. And I'll catch you next time. Subscribe, please. Bye.